your money. Because you're a cost to my brother. You think I don't know? I know you slept here. You sneaked in at night. But Nkiru does not sleep, nor slumber. I saw you. You follow everybody in this village. You follow man. You follow young boys. You even follow children. Is your thing scratching you? No. Do you want it to be scratched? Don't worry, my sister. One day, they will scratch it and scrape everywhere. You're a prostitute. Why is it that you don't sleep in your house? I'm asking you. Why is it that you don't sleep in your house? Is anything chasing you in your house? Or you're chasing something? And she cannot even answer me. Are you chasing something or something is chasing in your house?
I don't understand.
Come listen. I know that your father sent you as his eyes on my brother. But I am alive. It cannot happen. You see that throne? That throne is ours. It will not happen. Leave my house. Sorry for yourself. Leave my house.
I thought you cannot sleep again in this house. Every time you be shouting. Early in the morning.
Yes, I shout. I shout because I need to make it right. I am your mother now.
Wait now, stop shouting. Do you want everybody to hear you?
Everybody will hear me. Everybody will hear me.
Abba, you're welcome. When did you come?
She came in last night. She did not just come. Oh, you don't know. I thought you're close to your brother. You should know. You don't know.
Sister, wait now. Do you think brother would like this thing?
What is my
They're
business?
embarrassing her.
Your brother does not have sense. You like tell him.
Abba, come inside, bro.
Come where? Leave my house. Come. Leave my house. Stop. You should go. Follow her. You mad? What is wrong with you? I don't know what you have used on my brother. But he is still alive. You cannot do anything. You see that phone? We will get it.
Where are you going? Where? Come on here. Come here. Don't allow me meet you there. Don't allow me meet you there. Come on here. I said come here. Come here. I said come here. Come here. Come here and stand. I said come here. See here. See here. I want you to stand here. Don't allow me come there. Come here. So, where are you just coming back from since yesterday? You left the house. So you are now a grown girl that can sleep outside at any time. I'm talking to you and you are keeping quiet. Where are you coming back from? Oh, you want to stay in my house and turn to a wayward girl? You want to stay in my house and turn to a prostitute? Huh? You want to stay in my house and be a sports girl? No, not as long as I live. I'm not in this house. I said, come here. I'm talking to you. Oh! Nonsense. Idiot. I don't think I'm beating your mouth. What is it? Eh? This girl wants to disgrace me.
Hey! What have you done? Man, what have you done?
What?
You have removed her too, though.
Only one?
No.
Is it up to three?
Oh no, you don't know that these are the things that crowns a woman's beauty.
Exactly.
You want men to be running away from her?
Exactly what I want.
It's okay. Don't cry to death now. Let me just tell you. I know that you're a very beautiful girl. Very beautiful. And the gap there does not really matter. You know, as you're growing, it will be covering. Okay? You don't stop anything. Let them not grow. I don't even want them to grow. At least put an end to all my nightmares. Hey, talking about nightmare, I don't understand. Why did you leave the house and sleep outside? What do you think people will say to such behavior?
Just answer that question. Answer that question. Why will you leave home and go sleep outside? Small girl like you. You are breathing, have you? You're breathing. Go and carry bucket and go to the stream. And make sure you fill that container. Quick!
9.
What's that?
Let this girl be. Let her be for goodness sake.
Let her be, let her be, let her be. I should be completely spoiled. And I know that is your idea. Come on, girl, girl, carry bucket.
9.
Come on, go to the stream. What is it?
Hey! Never see.
Hi, Malum.
My man.
Hi, Malum. How you doing?
I am very fine.
How is everything?
Everything is okay.
It seems you're going for something.
My normal hunting now.
Oh.
Yes.
How is your travel? I hope you're getting some meat.
We thank God. Everything is fine.
All right. I just want to see somebody.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. No problem.
Well,
Have a
no,
nice
take
day.
care.
Yeah? All right.
Remember to bring my own meat from you.
You trust me.
All right.
Ikone, how are you?
Fine, uncle.
How is your mother?
She's fine.
Okay. My regards to her, eh?
I will, uncle. Uncle.
Yes.
Auntie Adora is at crying because they beat her.
What did you say? Where?
Over there.
Huh? Hey!
Chai, ọ bụ gịnị bụ nke a? Gịnị bụzi nke a? Alụ, abomination. Ntị echikwe mo, ntị agbawa mo. Alụ, abomination. Ọ bụ gịnị na-afịọ? Ọ bụ alụ o. Obodo delugo jim. Abomination. Ọ bụ gịnị ka a na-ekwu di? Gịnị ka a na-akọ di? Alụ ka alụ. Abomination. This is evil. This is bad. It is very, very bad. It is a sacrilege. Abomination. Abomination. Nsala o. Imerola ala o. This is calamity. Abomination. Abomination. Ọ bụ nnukwu alụ. Alụ. Abomination. Ngwanụ bulu alụ gaba. Mgbaparụ ya jebe. Ife onye metalụ.
Can you imagine? So, you decided to waste the whole day at the stream when you have other things to do at home. Is that? Huh? Can you imagine that? Huh?
Papa, I'm sorry, but
No, sorry. Well, take that thing to the backside. and bring the machete. We're going to the farm. Let's go and fetch firewood.
Nai.
Huh?
No, Nai, have you not eaten? You have eaten and ready. Allow this girl to go and take her food and eat so that she will have strength.
For God's sake, how does it concern me? Eh? The time she should have used in eating, she spent it at the stream side playing with the boys. So, how does that concern me now? Is it not true?
No, Nai, it's not fair. It is not fair at all. Stop treating this little girl as if she is an unwanted maid in this house. She's not your servant. She's your daughter.
Let me warn you. Let this be the first and the last time you ever interfere each time I'm handling her. She's my daughter. I'm not your daughter. I will handle her the way I want.
Then treat her as such.
Can you imagine?
Treat her like a daughter.
Where are you? Go and get the match and let's get to the farm.
Hi, brother. You're back.
I haven't even gone anywhere. I'm just tired. I don't know what is going on with all my traps. Eh? I don't understand. It's just like all the bush media just getting wiser these days.
Yeah, brother. The morning dust has refused to favor you today. But don't worry. I was even here thinking that by the time you're back, everywhere will be filled with bushmates.
No, this is time to manage. The ones that we have, you could just manage that one. I know that something will happen.
Hey, brother. Ada just left not too long ago.
Yeah, I know. That's our wicked father. You saw what the father did to her mouth. Huh? Hit her so much and even pushed her teeth. Can you imagine?
Huh? Brother, I feel the father is doing all these things because of you. That's why he's wicked now.
He will fail. He will fail. As a matter of fact, he has even failed.
Okay.
Yeah, but I hope nobody saw her.
I don't think so, no. I sneaked her out.
Okay.
Because he needs to kill her.
I hope nobody...
Emelu. So, Emelu, you sneaked that girl into our house again. Eh?
Yes, I did.
Hi. Emelu, I don't know why you're not smart like our father. Why are you so blind? Instead of you focusing your attention on claiming the throne that is rightfully yours, you're following that girl.
Thank you. With all due respect, let me say it. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Adora is not a distraction to me. You see that throne? I will get it. But for now, just let that poor girl be. Please. She's going through a lot. Just let her be.
Oh no. So you can't say it. I am surprised. That girl is nothing but a dangerous bait. Emelu, her father is your sworn enemy, who is bent on stealing the crown that rightfully belongs to you.
Never! Ikenga will never sit on that throne. Not while I'm still alive. But please, I will fight this fight myself. But can you just leave Adora out of it? Leave her out of this fight, please.
I cannot.
Sister, why do you hate Adora so much? Eh?
Are you mad? Or you're going crazy?
I'm not mad.
I will hate whosoever that is related to the people that want to steal her rightful position. It is the time of the Emelu's clan to produce the next Igwe of Umuebe kingdom. And nobody, and not even Ikenga, and his entire family will take that away from us. Because our father is not alive. No. Nkiru is still alive. It will not happen.
Sister, no problem. I'm not shouting.
I'm shouting, no. I shout because I need to make it right. You need to enter into your head. I am shouting.
Sister, we are cooking, no. Yeah.
Where are you going?
But I'm coming.
Chai, abu gini bunka, gini buzinka. Abomination.
Look at the bum dancing. Eh? What kind of girl are you? Look at your bum dancing. Eh?
It's like you people are coming from the family.
No, we are still going to.
Adora, how are you? I'm okay.
Which one are you looking at us? Elders are talking and you're here dropping. You want to drop our elders are talking and the test. Keep going. I'll meet you on the way. Keep going.
Kenga, take it easy with her.
She's my daughter at times she behaves I don't know. Oh no. I hope you have tidied everything, every loose end. No problem.
Huh? You speak as if you don't have confidence in me again.
No, I know what you can do. You see, when I'm crowned with you of this kingdom, that's when you see how appreciative I'll be. I will appreciate you. I will do everything for you. Trust me.
Consider it done.
Thank you.
But you know one thing that will gladden my heart?
Just tell me.
Nothing but to have that your daughter as my fourth wife.
No, will tell you, make a very big mistake. It is a no-go area. As for any land in this kingdom, consider it done. As for any woman, no matter the woman, no matter the number, consider it done. But my daughter, it is a no-go area. Please, just remove your eyes from her. Eh? Oh no! I'll see you when I come back.
Amara.
Ah, hello.
Amara.
Good morning, sir. Hey, the gods must have smiled favorably at our compound to bring you here so early. But the Kenga, your friend just stepped out a moment ago. You know, he went to fetch wood for his...
I saw them. I saw him just now. That is why I rushed here to see you.
Yeah, any problem?
You are the person to tell me if there is. What exactly happened to my wife, Adora? What exactly happened to her tooth?
Oh, that one. Oh no. It's her father. Yeah. The Kenga said that she's becoming wayward these days. And he thinks that removing her tooth will stop men from looking her way. I'm telling you.
In a way, it is right. But it's too bad for our business. Eh? You know, every man wants his woman to look beautiful when he is on top of her. But I don't think I can be that happy looking at her like that. No. I will not even enjoy her.
Oh no, Uchema, you will enjoy her. You will enjoy her, no. What gives pleasure is the thing that is in between her two legs, not her tooth. Look at her tooth. Just enjoy yourself with her when she comes.
So, when exactly are you delivering her?
Oh no, I will definitely do that. Don't worry.
Amara, it's taking too long. Though.
I know. Just exercise and your patience. You will have her to your full.
If you say so, I should be on my way.
So, well, take care. Hey, open man.
What am I saying? I know it's not enough. I'm telling you, come and see what.
I'm tired, though. I'm tired.
You're tired. Why won't you be tired before? If you to open your legs or this young small boys in the village, you'll be tired. You can last a whole night. Now to party and you can tired. Eh?
Papa, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't open my legs for anybody in this village.
You don't open your legs. How come this fat bumper? Eh? How come? Were you like this? So, who did it?
Is it my fault that I'm like this, Papa?
No, you sleep and wake up and your bumper will develop. No, it's not enough. You go and get some more. And then when you get them, bring them to the compound. Make sure I don't get to the compound before you. Go now, pack some money. Go straight to the compound and get there before me. Are you staring at me?
No.
I said go and get more! See your waist.
Brother. Are you going back to the bush?
Chichi, there's no harm in trying. Let me go and try again. Yeah, I might just be lucky.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
let me go and know what's going on with my traps.
But I would like to go with you. You know I've been begging you since to teach me how to hunt.
Oh, come on, stop that play. What kind of play is that one? Eh? Listen, hunting is not for women. Concentrate on your food. Cook well. You keep putting hunting in your mind, you just go and mistakenly put too much salt and too much pepper. Eh? Do your own, let me do my own.
But it wouldn't be a bad idea if I become the first woman hunter in this village.
No, it won't be a bad idea. But for now, concentrate on your food. Just cook. Let me go and try.
But this is how you've been dodging anytime I bring up this discussion.
Very well, so that you won't fall.
But I will dodge in your own. No?
This can't be. There is no way an animal will escape from this trap just like that. Something is wrong. I said it. I knew it. Someone was here. Wherever you are, just count yourself lucky. Count your stars that I did not catch you. Laura, are you alright? Sorry. Wait.
Okay. Why are you always looking at me?
Because I love you. You're the heart that pumps blood to my veins.
I want to go now.
No, don't worry, I'll help you. I'll help you.
No. Don't worry.
No, I insist, I'll take you home.
I have to go with my firewood.
No.
My father will kill me.
Your father will kill you. You see why I say your father is not fit to become a king. What man of man will kill you because of marrying you? Come on, let's go.
Let me go with them.
I insist, let's go. Come. I'll help you.
facing up and down. I hope all is well.
It's my daughter, your stepdaughter. Since morning, we went to the farm to fetch firewood. And I asked her to bring the firewood to the compound. Since then, up till now, she has not come back. I don't know if anything is wrong or something went wrong. Eh? What will keep her in the bush up till now?
Hey! Nine. Nothing happened to her. Allow that girl. Let her be. Allow that girl. Because me, I don't understand this overbearing attitude towards her. Eh?
What is that supposed to mean? She's my daughter.
I know.
I want to train her well.
I know.
So that she'll marry good husband.
I know.
I want to train her well.
I
You
know.
understand?
I know.
Help me train her well. That's what I want. Eh?
Let her be.
Why?
Ike, let her be.
Why?
Leave that girl alone. Let her be.
Come on. Are you thinking something?
Ikenga! Let her be. She's coming. Nothing happened to her.
Just take your time. Can you imagine? Since morning up till now.
You're still cooking. I'm hungry now.
Instead of you to come and assist me so that the food will be ready fast.
I should assist you. You don't have a slow. Now please shut up before your saliva will just enter the whole food.
My love.
Wait. Spit out that my name from your mouth. Who is your love?
Come. My sister will never be your love. She cannot even be your wife.
She's not yet my wife, but she will soon be.
Over my dead body. Even if it should nearly happen in your dream, I will reject you and wake you up.
Amen.
Uche, you know I love you. From the bottom of my heart.
You love who? Me.
Look at this village he-goat. My sister cannot love you.
Huh? Okay, calm down. Eh? Calm down. Allow her to speak for herself.
Okay, speak for yourself.
I will never love you. And you better start leaving this place now.
Okay, Uche, you know I love you now. Okay. See, I brought these two bushmates, male and female, for you. Use it, cook anything special for you alone. From the bottom of my heart, too.
Wait. Does it look like I don't eat bushmeat or I've not eaten bushmeat before? Or do you think we lack bushmeat in this house?
In this house?
Wait. If I may ask, since when do you start hunting?
Is it only by hunting that one can get bushmeat? See, these ones, I bought them at the market. Just for you.
See, if you know what is good for you, take this bushmeat that looks like you and go inside the village and give it to all those small girls you're following up and down.
Oh, come. You think we don't know? You think we don't know how your brother Onowu and the king had been conniving to take my brother's throne? Leave my house.
Kiru, please don't bring politics into this romantic affair between me and your sister now. Let us reason it. Don't politicize it.
I don't want to disrespect you. Leave my house.
If you know what is good for you,
leave my house.
Face your front where your back is facing.
Okay. I will
Before
go.
I change it for you.
I will go. Uche, my sweetheart. See, this bushmeat is for you. Take it. Use it and do whatever pleases you.
I said not to disrespect you. Leave my house. I said leave my house now.
I still love you.
Leave my house.
I still love you.
He goes. Before I say I disrespected you, not me. Hey, your husband is going to push. Cool.
Imagine that.
shameless girl. Of all the young men in this village, of all the young men in this community, you did not see anyone to choose. Except this idiot. Our sworn enemy. Is it right? Hey, I feel like it. Oh, God.
I fell with the wolves and it hurt my legs.
Yes, Chief Kinga. She had a very bad injury, so I had to help her.
Hey! Chineke me. Die! Did you open your mouth to call my name? Call my name in my compound. Is that? Hey! So, it is not enough that you're struggling the kinship with me. Now it is my daughter. It is my daughter!
Just calm down and listen to me. The rightful heir to the throne will not contest the throne with anybody. I will become the king of this land, and your daughter here will be my queen. There's nothing you will do about it.
Hey! Hey! Hey, stop! Shut up! Oh. No problem. Just wait. When the relative is buried, then we will know who the crown fits. If it is you, or if it is me, we will know. Hey! Hey! I'm talking. Stop!
You want to hurt her?
Hey, shut up! Get out of my car! Get out of my car, Mario! You want to disgrace me? You! You want to disgrace me? You want to disgrace me, huh? You want to disgrace me? Disgrace me! Disgrace me!
Your brother is not back. Why?
I'm very hungry, sir.
You need to wait for him. Okay, he's coming. Why is his face like that? Why is your face like that?
Are you okay? Why are you frowning?
How can I be okay? Because I don't just understand. How can a man be so wicked and heartless? How?
What happened?
Can you imagine? I thought I had this little injury on her leg. On the way from the farm. I don't even know where he sent her to, deep down inside the forest. And she injured her leg. I was trying to help her. I took her home. Only for this man to bounce on Adora again. Can you imagine? How rubbish is that?
Hey! There is nothing Nkiruka will not see in this house. Hey, why am I not even married? Why am I still in this? So every time it's Adora. What are you doing? What is it? Come there. Let me hear what you do. Shut up.
Just respect yourself. Respect yourself. That Adora you're talking about, that's my future wife. I am telling you now, in case you don't know. If you want to display your anger, just channel your anger to the father. That will be helping you.
You see, that girl Adora, she'll put you to trouble. Her father is using her to monitor your life. Yes. You know she has big waist. Now when she rubs her waist on your face, forget yourself and tell her all your secrets. Nonsense.
Sister,
shut up.
Your own is too much, because.
How rubbish is this?
Brother, please take it.
No, I'm not
Let's not take it back.
I will not have a daughter. I will not be living like that. What?
I'm not hungry.
Are you hungry? You cannot be hungry now. You eat Adora. Eat, huh?
Beautiful girl.
Adora. Ada, wait now. I'm calling you now. Can't you hear my voice? I've been calling you all this while.
Good afternoon, Master.
There's nothing good about this afternoon. I've been waiting for you all this while, since the past 2 days ago. What is happening?
Hope all is well.
Are you trying to tell me you didn't understand what I mean?
Master, I don't understand.
No, Ada, don't play dumb with me. I have started everything out with your stepmother. And she promised to bring you to my house for you to come and grace my bed. Now that my wife traveled to the village to see her father.
Haru.
There's nothing Haru there.
Mazi, my stepmother will never collect money from
No,
you.
no, no,
to
no.
come and...
Look. Young lady, don't try any rubbish with me. You and your stepmother should not try any nonsense with me. She collected money from me, and I'm fully prepared this evening to just stay.
Mazi, do not let me insult you. Do not let me insult you.
It has not come to it.
Whatever agreement you had with my stepmother, go sort that out with her.
Don't be offended. Come. I gave her money. Eh? And she promised me that she will bring it to my house. And now?
Adam.
I am not your Ada. Don't Ada me.
No. Why are you talking like this? Huh? You that I take as my daughter.
I am not your daughter. Yet you go around selling my body to some dirty-looking men in the village. Leave me alone.
Shout so that nobody will hear what.
Let them hear. Let them hear.
Calm down.
I will not calm down. What do you take me for? Some cheap village girl who doesn't have respect for her body.
No, now. Oh. Adam. Leave me. Calm down. Trust me. I am doing it for your own good. I am doing it so that you have money, so that you will dress well, like all those shappy girls in the village.
I'm so ashamed of you. I'm so ashamed of you. Look at you. Look at what you're talking. Let me warn you. The next time any of those men come near me, so I will expose you.
I'm trying to help her. Stupid girl. Useless idiot. Come and stay here with me. Stupid idiot.
This is evil. This is bad. It is very, very bad.
Good evening, how are you?
You're going on to already.
Yes, now. Or is it too early to go for evening?
No. Go. I will make your hair later, oh?
But auntie...
Don't worry, I will make your hair very well, okay? But I'm coming.
What is she up to? Eh? Where did you get all this from?
Brother, he's a baby that made it for me, oh. I begged him to do it for me since I can't afford money to buy gun there.
This girl, you will not kill me. Eh? So you are really taking this your hunting practice serious?
But I think I'm joking.
Hey, God. Did he?
Just come, no. Come.
You have no excuse now not to complete my hair.
Yeah, you won. I must go for hunting today. I'll just pack it for you. You will come back later. Oh?
This whole life is choking me. I just feel like killing myself.
No. Stop sounding like that. You still have reason to live. When there is life, there is hope. Why are you sounding like that?
What reason do I have? When my stepmother is collecting money from old men, she's already sold my body out.
What? Your stepmother did what?
I've lost count of how many men. I mean, how many men harasses me each day?
I don't get it. And you choose to be quiet. Adora, what is your problem? Why don't you just speak out? Why are you quiet about it? Expose your father and your mother. Let the world know what you're doing.
Of what value? Of what value would that bring? It's only going to bring embarrassment upon my family.
I understand, but we need to see to the end of this. We need to see to the end.
You know the way the society reasons. But the innocent and the guilty ones are judged the same way.
We need to put an end to this.
I wish I can do something.
I will do something. I mean, we will do something about it. Marry me. Yes, it doesn't matter whether I become the king or not. Just marry me.
You'll be a better king, I know. I will, if that's going to end this.
Fine. Is that a yes finally? Huh? Tell me. It's alright.
It is a sacrilege. Tragedy, abomination. This is calamity. Aye. Abomination. Abunukwalu. Abomination. Alu. Alu. Ngwaburu ya gaba. Ngwaparu ya jebe. Ife onye metalu. Oburu. Hey. Alu. Ngwaburu ya gaba. Ngwaparu ya jebe. Ife onye metalu. Oburu. Hey. Alu. Abomination.
Hey.
Hey.
What is it? Is the food ready? Bring now. Let me eat at once. I'm ready.
Ikenga, you alright?
Bring. Yeah, I'm all right. What is it?
Ikenga, you're not well.
No, I'm well.
You are not well.
Who said?
Hey! So, Ikenga,
Huh?
your daughter is here washing clothes, and you are here bending down, peeping, lustfully.
How?
Looking at her lustfully.
How can you say that?
This is your blood.
My daughter is washing clothes and I'm watching her wash. Is it wrong? What is wrong in it that the father is watching the daughter wash clothes? I want to know if he's rinsing it well, if he's holding it, drying it. Ah!
So, you're going to be here to know whether she's washing it well.
Of course, that's why I'm here.
What do you think you're doing there? Eh? Wash that thing fast and get inside the house. You use all your body washing clothes, facing your father.
Don't leave that bucket there. Continue washing. Did I complain? Keep on washing.
You didn't complain.
Go and bring my food. I said, put that thing in the water. Put it in the water.
Continue bending down, Pipi. Continue. She's...
Chai.
Keep that in there.
Abu
Keep
Guinea
that in there.
Bunka.
Come on.
Guinea
Put it there.
Bizinka. Alo. Abomination. Ntie Chikwemo. Ntie Awawamo.
Smiling, eh?
Alo.
That you're so happy.
Abu Guinea Nafio. Abu Alo.
You are not far from the truth. I am super excited.
Yes.
Yes.
Brother, tell me. Wait, let me get. Tell me, shall I breathe
Shall before you chase all the animals.
I'm very scared though.
What is the problem?
You know the father. That man is very wicked.
Don't worry. Leave the father. When we get to that bridge, we will cross it. Yes.
Brother. Brother.
Eh?
There's something I want to ask you. Like, I've been wanting to ask you, but...
Ask me.
Brother, why is it that when Adora's father wants to torment her, he does that only at night?
Well, you see, wicked men, I mean, those heartless kind of men, anytime they want to operate, they hide under the cover of darkness. That is why they behave like that.
So you see, he's a wicked man.
Is it not obvious? Enough of your question, come. Let me show you how to use these things. This way. But slowly, easy. So just follow my lead, eh? Can you come up? Aha. Easy. No, that's why you are here now. So you see. You drop that, yeah? First thing first. You see this? You see how I place it? At every given time, you must watch your step. Okay. Yes. There's a hole here. See, for you to execute this thing or catch this rabbit, you have to trace another hole. You understand? So watch this. Listen, so you trace it. Come back to this one now, watch it. Just follow my step. There are some things my eyes can see, they will not see, but as a learner, don't worry, just look. Aha. This is it.
But how do you know this thing?
Every time you two will know it. Yeah? So just... Did you hear that?
Nana, what is that?
Sound like somebody's screaming. Pay attention, you hear?
But should I follow you?
Don't worry. Shut up! You think your shouting can attack anybody? Shut. If you tell anybody about this thing, I will kill you. Who is that? Okore!
What's going on? What happened to you? Sorry. Are you hurt? Sorry. So sorry. What did this to you?
Hey! Hey! Okore! 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 Hey, hold it there! Please, don't shoot. Don't shoot. Please, please. Go away. It is weaklings like you that rape people, man. Don't shoot. Do not think that I missed. Now get out before I change my mind. Get out! Get out!
My daughter, are you back? Have you eaten?
No, I'll go and get my own food.
Let's eat together. Sit down, let's eat. Eat, join me. Join me, let's eat.
But even your own wife doesn't eat with you. So why should I eat with you, Papa?
That one? Well, we said she's my wife, but you are my daughter. It's two different things. Your daughter, your wife, she's somebody's daughter. But you are my daughter. Let's eat together.
I'm not even bothered about your wife, because I don't even have strength for you and your wife, Papa.
Wait. Can someone tell me what just happened in there? Awole, you were raped, was it not so?
No. Awole, you were raped. By who?
Keep quiet. She just told you she wasn't raped. Why are you forcing it?
But
No, but. Keep quiet and go home. Go! Hey, wait. Do not say a word to anybody. Go.
But be sure you're doing the right thing, no.
Mama, leave me alone. I can't take it any longer. I'm tired. I can't take this anymore.
Dora. Dora.
Has she come back?
Welcome. No. She has not come back.
Up till now.
I'm telling you now. Now it's been 2 days now. It's been 2 days she left this house. She left this village. Please. I suggest we should go and look for her. Let us go in search of her. Maybe in the next village.
Search of her in the next village. How are you sure she's not in this village? Why next village?
I don't think so.
I know she's not lost. I know she did not disappear. It is that stupid boy, Emelumba, that is keeping her. I'm very, very sure of that. Yeah, I'm sure. It's that Emelumba.
Then do something, and do something and bring her back home. I'm tired though. I can't be coping with all the house chores alone.
Can you imagine the nonsense? You are tired coping with the house chores. So, why are you a woman if you cannot cook? Why are you a woman?
So, it is a woman that is fit to be left under the weight of house chores.
Of course, yes.
Okay, let me tell you. You see that firewood? Split it. If you're not going to split it, there will be no food for us in this house today.
Good.
I just managed to get this one.
I'm happy the yam is ready. I'm going inside to wait for my food.
Bam.
When I didn't get it, that's when I'll tell you. In fact, I will reply to this your nonsense.
Okay.
I'm waiting inside.
Okay, let's wait now and see who will eat it. Nonsense.
Brother, Mama, I don't like seeing you this way. I don't like seeing you worried.
Beg you, I have searched everywhere for her. I don't even know how she maneuvered her way. Uchichi, I know I know this bush. I know every part of this forest. I know the full forest is in my palm. I know everywhere, but I don't know how she maneuvered her way. Listen, she's my heartbeat. I am not sure I can survive if anything happens to my kid.
I don't know. Don't worry yourself, please. You know you're all we have. Because young brother, please.
Thank God our father is not as wicked as Adora's father. If not, I would have killed him before now.
I would have ensured he didn't really live long enough to father you.
Okay, brother, let me pack.
This mysterious boy.
Where did you hide Adora? If you know where you hid her, you better produce her before her father comes after you. And when her father comes after you, hey, very soon, there will be no hiding place for you and your entire family.
You just really stop that rubbish. Listen, I'm just respecting you. If you think you can cover your atrocity with all this nonsense accusation, you better have a rethink. I am respecting you and I know why. Yes!
Amara, thank goodness I met you here.
I hope all is well.
How can all be well when you have not lived up to our bargain? I want my money back.
Come, let's be going. I'll explain this to you.
No. I don't need any explanation. All I want is my money back.
Oh, that. Mezier, you know, me, I have given that a second thought. I'm telling you, Adora is not much for your son. Do you know that girl has become so rotten these days? Throwing herself at every young man and old he-goat in this village.
What nonsense are you blabbing?
It's not nonsense, sir. Hey, for 2 good days now, Dora has eloped from the house. And I'm sure that she has gone to enjoy herself with some other men in the next village. Come, let's be going. I will refund you the money. Come.
You mean you refund me?
Brother, what is going on there? What money is he talking about? And what money is she going to refund?
Don't even stress yourself. Forget that woman. Don't believe anything she says. She just said. She's talking rubbish.
You shouldn't be talking about Dora like that. It's not fair.
This Adora girl, the gods will not allow her to kill my brother. That's stupid, nonsense, ugly girl. And remember, the late king will be very close to you. So you need to conserve your energy in fighting for the throne.
Here she goes again. The throne?
Yes.
That's all you talk about? Eh? Is there any other thing?
No. It seems you're forgetting, oh. And someone needs to remind you that the battle in front of you, my brother, is heavy.
Why don't you just take this throne? Yes, be the next king. Take the throne. Let me be. Leave me alone.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah. Alanapode. Uchechi. Uchechi. Come, let's eat. Your brother is not eating. Are you eating or not?
Sister, take it easy now.
I said, are you eating or not? You said, take it. What is take it easy? Okay, you are not eating. Nonsense. Hunger will kill you people. Okay, you want to eat?
Who is that? You have the crazy gods to come into my compound and be shouting my name. You shout my name in my compound. Are you crazy? Is something wrong with your head? Obviously, it's either your father did not train you well, or maybe you don't have respect for him. Which one? You, the imbecile, walked into my compound to talk rubbish? Huh?
Yes, God.
So you mean I should be afraid of a toy gun by an imbecile? Ikenga, Ebubedike of Umebi Kingdom. The next Igwe, by God's grace.
Kinga, make no mistakes. You will never become the king of this land. You will never become king while I'm still alive. But that's not why I'm here. I give you 3 days. 3 days
for what?
Use Adora. Huh? Use my Adora. Tell the entire community what you and your wife here are planning to do with her. 3 days, Ikenga. 3 days.
Can you imagine the person? Look at him running like Utobo. Can you imagine the imbecile coming into my compound to insult me before the Lolo of this great kingdom? Eh?
Don't mind him.
But what does it mean? What were you planning to do with my daughter?
Here.
Huh?
Ikenga. I should be asking you that. Ikenga. What are you planning to do with your daughter? See that small boy, Udoku. He will expose you. Whoa! Nonsense.
Chai, Abu Gini Bunka, Gini Buzinka, Alo, Abomination, Ntia Chikwemo, Ntia Wawamo, Alo, Abomination, Abu Gini Nafio, Alo, Abu Alo,
Emelumba.
Abu the Delugo Jim Jim, Abomination, Abu Gini Kane Puti, Gini Kana Kodi.
Okay.
Don't you have shame? Is something wrong with you?
No.
No. Adora, something is definitely wrong with you.
Nkiru, I'm sorry. I know you don't like me.
No, I don't. I don't.
I know.
I don't like you. I don't.
But I come to your brother because he's the only person that makes me happy.
He makes you happy. You're very stupid. He makes you happy.
You don't know what I'm going through. Have you ever been forced by your father? That's what I go through. My father forced me. He tries to sleep with me, but I refuse. That's the reason why I come to your house every night. I'm sorry. I want to go.
Are you serious? What kind of a father would do that to her own child?
I don't know. My father molests me every day. Look at me. I don't know what else to do. I don't know where else to go to. So sorry, Adora. Adora, I didn't know. So sorry. I didn't know. Why didn't you tell me? I'm sorry. Adora, I'm sorry. No, it's okay. Adora, I'm sorry.
Adora, I didn't know. Why didn't you tell me? I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Hi. So sorry. Emily didn't tell me. I'm so sorry.
Chai, Abu Gini Bunka, Gini Buzinka, Alo, Abomination, Ntia Chikwemo, Ntia Wawamo, Alo, Abomination, Abu Gini Nafio, Abu Alo, Abu the Delugo Jim Jim Jim, abomination. Ọ bụ gịnị ka a na-ekwu di? Gịnị ka a na-akọ di? Alụ ka alụ, abomination. This is evil, this is bad, it is very, very bad. It is a sacrilege, abomination. Abomination. This is calamity. Abomination. Abomination. Abunukwalu. Alu. Abomination. Ngwanu bulalu gaba. Ngwaparu ya jebe. Ifo onye metalu oburu. Abomination. Oro obodo siri buru ya gaba. Fasigi pararu jebe. Ifo onye metalu koge buru o. Abomination. Omemma geri ugbo mma. Che. Omenjọ geri ugbo njọ. Ihe ọ bụ na ị na-eme n'ụwa. Echefula na onye ọlụ nwere ụgwọ ọlụ. You will reap where you sow. You will reap. And what you sow, you must reap. You better be careful with the things that you do. Cause at the end, they will come back for you. Abu gini bunka, gini buzinka. Alo, abomination. Nti echikwemo, nti agwawamo. Afujuko manya, abomination. Abu gini na fio, abu alo. Obo de delugo jim. Abomination. Abu gini ka na-ekwudi, gini ka na-akọdi. Alu, abomination. This is evil. This is bad. It is very, very bad. It is a sacrilege. Tragedy. Abomination. This is calamity. Abomination. Abunukwalu. Abomination. Alu.
Adora.
Ngwaburu ya gaba. Ngwaparu ya jebe. Ifo onye metalu.
Adadadi. Ada.
Are you not hearing me?
What is it?
I said this is all your fault. This is all your fault. Had it been that you are not high-handed with that girl, you wouldn't have been in this trouble.
Stop shouting and stop talking to me like that. As if it's entirely my fault. Am I the only one to be blamed?
Really? Who is to be blamed? Who is to be blamed, Ike? Who is to be blamed? Me. In fact, I don't even know my own involvement in this whole thing. Yes.
You don't know your involvement. And you're desperate joining me to search Adora. You would have sat somewhere and wait for me to go and get Adora and come back. Let me ask you. What have you been planning to do with my daughter that made you to be this desperate?
You too. What are you trying to hide in the dark? What are you desperately trying to hide in the dark?
I am suspecting you. I am suspecting you, but I'll find out that in one day.
Okay.
Adora!
Where can you hear that? Nai! Hey! Nai!
What is it?
Melomba is bringing the entire village to our home.
What is the meaning of this? The Council of Elders is here to sit and talk about who will be our next king. Why have you come with the youth to fight the Kenga? Oh no. What you see here today has nothing to do with the throne. Yes. The Kenga is a shameless man. There's so many atrocities against the land and against his daughter. Don't have a problem. He wants him to come out here and defend himself. Come on! We will get to the root of this. Come on!
Play for the wicked.
Yes, so foolish man. That's it.
Do some land like
It's okay.
Elders and people.
Keep your greeting down. The Kenga. Wait.
I've been looking for her since so she
Woman! You chased your daughter out of the house because you have been trying to sleep with her.
liar. You're a liar.
Man.
Such a thing.
You shut up.
And I've not upon everything. I can't do it. She's my daughter. Of course, you know she's my daughter. Why? Everybody knows that. Oh, do that. Oh. So you're trying to blackmail me, tarnish my name, because you know I'll soon become the next king.
My people. This mischievous, that is the next king. You should be the one asking about Adora's wedding.
Exactly.
Yes. You are the one that always come. You come here, you lure her out, you sleep with her morning, night, afternoon.
Keep quiet. When men are talking, you don't talk. Listen, because I want to visit your case. You think I don't know that you've been trying to sell her to other men in this country?
Hey! Dirty witch. Dirty witch. So, you use my daughter for prostitution. I married you a prostitute. And now you lured my daughter into prostitution. Is that right?
Hold it. Just hold it. Look at who he's talking. I don't blame you. Oh! You think I'm enjoying this marriage? Do you think I am enjoying this marriage? I am not.
Huh?
Oh, because I don't want to open my mouth. Oh! Hey. I thought you think I don't know. You think I don't all those nights that you used to abandon me on the bed? Hey! I don't know when to sneak into Adora's bed. Wait.
An abomination that our land cannot even swallow in a morning. Abomination of the highest order. The elders will sit and talk about this. And you will be banished from this. Use of my land! That's his man!
Chai, abu gini bunka, gini buzinka, alo, abomination, ntie chikwemo, Tia Wawamo. Alo. Abomination. Abogini na fio. Alo. Obo alo. Alo. Obo de delugo jim. Abomination. Obo gini kane pudi. Alo. Gini kana kodi. Alo. Alo kalu. Abomination. This is evil. Alo. This is bad. Alo. It is very, very bad. It is a sacrilege. Alo. Abomination. Alo. Abomination. Nsala o. Imerola o. This is calamity. Abomination. Abomination. Nnukwu alụ. Alụ. Abomination.